Drone number 5, iFlight Nazgul Evoque F6V204-$872. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to fly like a fighter pilot? The iFlight Nazgul Evoque F6V2 is built for pure adrenaline. This is not your typical camera drone. It's a professional FPV freestyle machine designed for incredible speed, extreme agility, and breathtaking cinematic flights. Equipped with the DJI-04 Air Unit Pro, this drone delivers crystal-clear HD video while providing an immersive first-person flying experience. Powered by a powerful 6S battery system and high-performance motors, the Nazgul Evoque can accelerate incredibly fast, perform flips, dives, and aggressive maneuvers that ordinary drones simply cannot match. Its carbon fiber frame is engineered for durability, making it capable of surviving hard landings and demanding freestyle sessions. Whether you're flying through forests, abandoned buildings, mountains, or racing across open landscapes, this drone delivers an unforgettable experience. Professional FPV pilots love the Nazgul Evoque because it combines speed, reliability, and exceptional image quality into one incredible package. At $872, this drone isn't for beginners. It's for creators and pilots who want to push the limits and capture cinematic footage unlike anything you've ever seen. DJI Mini 5 Pro -$950. Imagine holding a professional filmmaking camera that weighs less than an apple. That's exactly what the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers. This ultra-light drone is designed for creators who demand professional quality without carrying heavy equipment. Despite its compact size, it features a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning photos and cinematic videos with exceptional detail. One of its most impressive features is its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. The drone constantly watches every direction, helping avoid collisions and making flying much safer, even in complex environments. Whether you're filming beaches, mountains, city skylines, weddings, or vacations, the Mini 5 Pro delivers incredibly smooth footage that looks like it came from a Hollywood production. DJI's intelligent flight modes make professional shots effortless. Orbit your subject, follow moving vehicles, create dramatic reveals, or capture cinematic panoramas, all with just a few taps. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable. It fits easily into a backpack, making it the perfect travel companion for photographers, vloggers, and filmmakers. At $950, the DJI Mini 5 Pro proves that incredible things really do come in small packages. Drone number 3, DJI Mini 4 Pro -$994. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has become one of the world's most popular premium compact drones, and for good reason. This drone combines portability with professional imaging capabilities that were once reserved for much larger aircraft. It records stunning 4K HDR video, capturing vibrant colors, deep contrast, and incredible detail in every frame. Whether you're filming at sunrise, sunset, or in bright daylight, your footage looks spectacular. With up to 34 minutes of flight time, you can spend more time creating and less time changing batteries. Its impressive video transmission range of up to 20 kilometers provides an incredibly stable connection, allowing pilots to explore vast landscapes with confidence. Advanced obstacle avoidance technology constantly monitors the surroundings, helping prevent accidents, while intelligent tracking features keep your subject perfectly centered during flight. Whether you're documenting your travels, creating YouTube content, filming real estate, or capturing family adventures, the Mini 4 Pro delivers professional results without requiring professional experience. Priced at $994, it's one of the best investments for serious content creators looking for premium performance in an ultra-portable drone. Drone number 2, Helion 10046S HD -$1,191. If speed, distance, and power excite you, then prepare yourself for the Helion 10004. This long-range FPV drone is built for pilots who dream of flying farther, faster, and higher than ever before. Equipped with the DJI-04 Air Unit Pro and powerful 3110 900 kV motors, the Helion 10 offers outstanding image quality combined with incredible flight performance. Its large propellers generate impressive efficiency, allowing long-distance missions while maintaining exceptional stability even in windy conditions. This drone is perfect for mountain expeditions, cinematic landscape filming, coastal flights, and epic adventures where every second in the air counts. Professional drone filmmakers appreciate its ability to carry speed through large open spaces while maintaining smooth, stable footage. The robust frame is engineered for demanding environments, making it a trusted companion for serious FPV enthusiasts. Flying the Helion 10 feels less like operating a drone and more like piloting a real aircraft across breathtaking landscapes. At $1,191, this machine is built for experienced pilots seeking maximum performance and unforgettable cinematic flights. Drone number 1: FIMI X8T 4K Professional Drone -$2,398. Now we've reached the most expensive drone on today's list. Meet the incredible FIMI X8T Professional Drone, priced at an impressive $2,398. This isn't simply a drone. It's a professional aerial platform designed for industrial missions, emergency response, inspections, mapping, agriculture, security, and search and rescue operations. The X8T features an advanced 4K camera capable of producing incredibly sharp footage, but that's only the beginning. Its professional-grade technology is built to operate in demanding environments where reliability is absolutely essential. With advanced navigation systems, intelligent flight controls, and exceptional stability, this drone can perform missions that ordinary consumer drones simply cannot handle. Professionals use drones like the FIMI X8T to inspect power lines, monitor construction sites, survey large properties, assist firefighters, and support emergency teams. Its rugged design inspires confidence in difficult weather conditions, while its intelligent software provides precision and efficiency for complex operations. Owning a drone like this means entering the world of professional aerial technology, where every flight can save time, improve safety, and capture critical information from the sky. At $2,398, the FIMI X8T is more than just the most expensive drone on this list. It represents the next level of professional drone innovation.